the intricate fabric of human nature, replete with its desires, fears, motivations, and actions, has remained a topic of contemplation for millennia. Philosophy, as a discipline, endeavors to unravel these intricacies. When coupled with ethics, this pursuit deepens, allowing us to discern the moral dimensions underpinning human conduct. This article delves into the symbiotic relationship between philosophy and ethics in decoding human behavior. The intricacies of human behavior. Human actions are neither random nor without precedent. They spring from a wellspring of thoughts, emotions, experiences, and beliefs. It is a dance of nature and nurture, with individual actions reflecting both innate tendencies and learned behaviors. Understanding this multifaceted matrix becomes an intellectual adventure, one that philosophy embarks upon with enthusiasm. The role of philosophy in decoding behavior. Philosophy, often described as the love of wisdom, seeks answers to profound questions about existence, identity, and purpose. When it turns its gaze to human behavior, existential exploration, philosophy probes the existential roots of human actions. Why do we do what we do? Is it a search for purpose, an assertion of free will, or the interplay of destiny and choice? Rational analysis. Actions often stem from rational, or seemingly rational, decisions. Philosophy examines the reasoning processes that culminate in particular actions, weighing logic against impulse. Emotive underpinnings. Beyond reason lies the realm of emotions. Philosophical introspection shines a light on the passions, fears, and desires that propel human endeavors. Ethics, the moral compass of actions. While philosophy seeks to understand, ethics aspires to judge. It does not do so in a punitive sense, but rather in one that seeks to distinguish between the right and the wrong, the commendable and the questionable. Moral yardstick. Ethics provides a framework or a set of principles that categorize actions as right or wrong, good or bad. It lays down the boundaries of acceptable conduct. Social context. Ethics is deeply intertwined with societal norms and values. It examines how individual actions align or deviate from these societal benchmarks. Personal integrity. Beyond societal judgments, ethics also touches upon individual conscience. It questions the alignment of actions with one's inner moral compass. The confluence of philosophy and ethics. The merger of philosophical understanding and ethical judgment provides a comprehensive lens to view human behavior. Holistic understanding. While philosophy unravels the why behind actions, ethics offers a perspective on the should. Together, they present a holistic picture of human tendencies. Guided morality. As philosophy delves into reasoning and emotion, ethics ensures that this understanding is channeled towards moral integrity and virtuous actions. Conclusion. Decoding human behavior is akin to navigating a labyrinth. Philosophy and ethics serve as invaluable torchbearers in this quest, illuminating the pathways of understanding and judgment. Through their combined insights, we not only comprehend the myriad nuances of human actions, but also appreciate the moral tapestries that embellish the canvas of human existence. As we continue our journey into the depths of human nature, let these disciplines be our trusted guides.